Meaning of heritage.
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 Heritage. Heritage refers to the cultural, historical, and natural assets that are inherited from past generations and are preserved for future generations. It includes buildings, monuments, traditions, languages, art, and artifacts. These elements help to define a society's identity and provide a link to its history and roots. Heritage sites also attract visitors and serve as important tourist destinations, contributing to the economy. However, preserving heritage can be challenging due to factors such as urbanization, globalization, and environmental degradation. Governments, communities, and organizations must work together to ensure that heritage is protected and maintained.